storm. Not gonna be a tornado. Go in that room. Go. See what the weather shows. Here we are, about right here. We're right in the middle of it.
What is it?
What?
What is that?
What do you have?
That one was
What's in your hands? What's that for?
emergency.
Emergency? Where are you gonna go?
The they said we're gonna go to emergency.
To the emergency?
Yeah. That's in the house.
What are you doing?
Packing our stuff.
What?
In case there's a tornado.
There's no tornado.
I said in case. The eggs are gone. Then what's going to happen?
Nothing.
So why is it raining horrible out there?
Because it's raining.
What does the news say?
It just says rain. See? That's just rain.
Then why is there a tornado going like
That says tornado prediction. If there's going to be a tornado.
Then where is Tamara going to be at?
She's coming home. She's at the store.
Then where are you going to hide if there's a tornado?
I'm not hiding nothing. I'm videotaping.
Mommy, no, that's bad weather. Mommy, it looks like it's snowing.
That ain't no snow.
What is it?
Can't even see that car.
Whoa! Mom, is it going to be howling?
Probably.
Well, one time it was raining in El Paso at CDD when me and Derek were, and then we caught hell when one person ate it.
Uh-oh. There's the power's out. Power's out in the house.
Get Tamara's flashlight.
Well,
That was bad.
the power's out. Let's get on the cell phone and call someone. What is that? Come on.